I am initializing the systemic flow sequence. I am optimizing my internal nutrient delivery. I am the architect of my circulatory hardware. I command my vascular walls to relax and expand. I am neutralizing all systemic resistance. I am clearing the pathways for peak oxygen transport. I recognize that vascular elasticity is the foundation of extreme physical endurance. I am triggering a total systemic vasodilation. I am shifting into peak nutrient delivery mode. I am perfectly comfortable as my body directs a surge of oxygenated blood to my vital systems. My arterial pathways are becoming hyper-efficient. I am optimizing the flow of life force. I am hard-coding the vascular baseline into my subconscious mind. I am moving from restricted circulation to a state of unstoppable hemodynamic flow. I am the pump. I am the flow. I am the optimized. I am now calibrating the systemic flow sequence. I am actively optimizing my internal nutrient delivery. I am the architect in control. I am witnessing my vascular walls relax and expand. I am neutralizing resistance in real time. I am observing the clear pathways for peak oxygen transport. I recognize that my vascular elasticity is increasing as the foundation of my endurance. I am sustaining a total systemic vasodilation. I am locked into peak nutrient delivery mode. I am perfectly comfortable as my body directs the surge of oxygenated blood to my vital systems. My arterial pathways are hyper-efficient. I am feeling the optimized flow of life force. I am hard-coding this vascular baseline deeper into my subconscious mind. I am moving rapidly from restricted circulation to a state of unstoppable hemodynamic flow. I am the pump. I am the flow. I am the optimized. I am accelerating the systemic flow sequence. I am perfecting my internal nutrient delivery. I am the architect of this power. I command my vascular walls to expand to their maximum limit. I am crushing all systemic resistance. I am forcing open the pathways for peak oxygen transport. I recognize that my limitless vascular elasticity is the engine of my extreme performance. I am amplifying total systemic vasodilation. I am dominating through peak nutrient delivery mode. I am thriving as my body directs a torrent of oxygenated blood to my vital systems. My arterial pathways are electrified and efficient. I am surging with the optimized flow of life force. I am etching the vascular baseline into the core of my subconscious mind. I am exploding from restricted circulation into a state of infinite hemodynamic flow. I am the pump. I am the power. I am the supreme flow. I am intensifying the systemic flow sequence. I am mandating perfect nutrient delivery. I am the sovereign architect. My vascular walls are fully dilated and structurally superior. I am erasing every trace of systemic friction. My oxygen pathways are wide and unobstructed. I accept that high-pressure efficiency is the core of my physical reality. I am enforcing total systemic vasodilation. The nutrient delivery is now unstoppable. I am transformed as my body handles this massive surge of oxygenated power. My arterial pathways are hyperconductive. The flow of life force is at maximum capacity. I am welding the vascular baseline into my neural circuitry. I am surpassing all previous limits. My hemodynamic flow is absolute. I am the peak. I am the pressure. I am the supreme signal. I have finalized the systemic flow sequence. My nutrient delivery is now optimized. I am the architect who succeeded. My vascular walls are relaxed, expanded, and strong. I have eliminated all systemic resistance. The pathways for oxygen are permanently clear. I accept that my mastered vascular elasticity is the permanent foundation of my performance. I have secured total systemic vasodilation. I am living in peak nutrient delivery mode. I am completely revitalized as my body maintains this surge of oxygenated blood. My arterial pathways operate with hyper-efficiency. I am the embodiment of optimized life force. I have fused the vascular baseline into my permanent subconscious identity. I have ascended from restricted circulation to a state of unstoppable hemodynamic flow. The pump is active. The flow is constant. I am optimized. I have verified the systemic flow sequence. My nutrient delivery is a fixed standard. I am the architect of a perfected system. My biological hardware is cool, calm, and capable. Systemic resistance is now obsolete. My oxygen transport is a flawless process. I recognize that my vascular superiority is now a hard-coded biological trait. I have stabilized total systemic vasodilation. Nutrient delivery is my default state. I am internally grounded as my body effortlessly handles peak oxygenation. My arterial pathways are permanently uprated. The life force flows without effort. I have sealed the vascular baseline into my genetic expression. I am the master of endless flow. My hemodynamic stability is irreversible. The system is stable. The signal is clear. I am the architect. The sequence is complete. My internal nutrient delivery is perfect. I am the sovereign architect. My biological hardware is upgraded. Systemic resistance is non-existent. My oxygen transport is absolute. Vascular elasticity is my nature. Extreme output is my result. Systemic vasodilation is my baseline. Nutrient delivery is my advantage. I am the master of my own biological surges. My system is balanced and powerful. The flow of life force is unrestricted. I am hyper-efficient. The high flow baseline is locked. I am the upgrade. My hemodynamic flow is unstoppable. I am the conductor. I am the flow. I am the titan.